Welcome to a new video. And today we have an interesting topic. Before that, happy New Year guys. If you have seen the last video, I spoke about AI and Chat GPT. You just have to type this your chat.openai.com and it will take you to the website. So let's say we have this list of products. My manager asked me, hey, you find out what are the prices of these corresponding products. So what do? I'll copy this product and I'll go to the website and I'll search for this product and then click on this product, and then in this product page I can get the exact price. So these three things, like searching it and then getting this price, we're going to automate. So we are going to ask ChatGPT here, write a Python script that will take the product names from the Excel sheet and search in examples.com. It is giving me the entire code. Let's copy this VS Code and Command V. Now obviously load workbook. It needs to know the exact name, right? This is my exact. I have stored it inside this particular, right? Let's make as input dot xlsx. Okay. I'm giving it as input. Let's see what is the product name it is be assigned. Okay, print product name. Okay, let's see if it is getting the correct product name whatever I have entered in the sheet. Correct? Yes, it is getting all the product names one by one, all the 20 product names. It is so this part is fine. But the thing is, this search term is we have to give the correct URL where you can search, right? If I go ahead, if I search here, not okay. So this is the search query. Copy this URL and I paste it here. Okay, query. Then my search term. I'll try to print this response here. Okay, it is getting a response 200. So it means all these products are being searched correctly. For example, I want to search this entire thing here. If I search this entire thing, so inside that there is this URL. If I take this URL and open it, and it will take me to the product page and I can get this price easily. Correct? I think it is giving us an like JSON kind of object. So we have to find this URL. Okay. First thing, I have to import this JSON. So I'll import. This is the JSON data. So if I see how is it giving me, first one suggestion is there. Okay. Then 0. So suggestions. Then 0 dot get URL. Yes. Now for every product, I am getting the URLs. Now that we have the URL, right? So we have to navigate to that URL. Control V. Now in say response product page. Response product page, because this is the product URL, right? So request dot get this URL value I'll pass. So whatever this response is coming, I will pass it here. So because I know that this is a HTML page, correct? So here this response product page dot text and HTML parser, correct? Let's see in here what is happening. Here if I print soap, if I play, then I think it should give you entire HTML page. Okay, so for every product it is giving me. So I just have to find that price, right? And I inspect here. The price is inside this price underscore product price, correct? So I'll copy this and class this. So let's try to print this product div. Right. So it is exactly getting that div. So if I put dot text here, yes, we are getting the prices now, which is beautiful to read, but there is some error it is showing. Line 27, line 27 here in the invalid URL. So why is this invalid URL? Probably for that product there would be some issue, right? So we can put a if condition is not equals. I'll say ki is not equals to this much. Then you do all these things. Tab. So now if I try to play all the prices, I think it should come. Now we have the prices. We want to save it in Excel, correct? Okay, sheet.cell that this row 2 column 2, right? row equals to 1, column equals to 2 dot value productive. To save it, say workbook dot save, and save it in the same, let's say I'll save it in a different path. This is input and this is your output, out.xls. Let's see how the code runs. Okay, so here if you see out, so here the price is there, correct? 119900. So basically we just have to iterate it, the entire thing. What we can do here, I can put I, comma row for I row in, then I can print here row is your I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. Well, I'll just print the I here. I'll put row in enumerate, and inside here I'll put seat dot row. If I try, so it is printing, it is just I'm printing the value of I, but I think when it will run, when it will execute, it should save everything inside this out.xlss. If I open this, so if you see, all the prices are here, only this line is not there because it was not finding, but anyway all the prices are like this. So this is a small script that you can use if you want, if you have if you have a, you know, Excel sheet with some possible values, and it is going to search somewhere from the web and you need the values. Thank you, I hope you learned something. Thank you.